Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for professionals who need high-quality, large-format prints. I'm talking about the HP DesignJet T230 large-format 24-inch plotter printer, and I'm excited to dive into its features and show you why it's a must-have for architects, engineers, and construction industry professionals. First, let's talk about the peace of mind that comes with owning this printer. The HP DesignJet T230 includes a 2-year warranty care pack, which gives you access to on-site and remote support, HP parts, and fast as next business day device service if your issue can't be resolved. This means you can focus on your work, knowing that you've got reliable support in case anything goes wrong. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or need help with a complex project, HP's got your back. And with the convenience of on-site support, you won't have to worry about shipping your printer back and forth, saving you time and hassle. Now, let's talk about the types of projects this printer is ideal for. If you're in the business of creating technical line drawings, blueprints, posters, indoor signage, maps, sewing patterns, or other professional wide or large format prints, this is the printer for you. With its ability to handle media sizes up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory, you'll be able to tackle even the most complex projects with ease. And with its automatic horizontal cutter, you'll be able to produce precise, professional-looking prints every time. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T230 apart is its media handling capabilities. With sheet feed, roll feed, and automatic horizontal cutter options, you'll be able to print multi-size projects automatically without needing to manually switch the media source. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of human error, giving you more accurate and consistent results. And with the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory, you'll be able to print a variety of sheet sizes, from small to large, without having to manually load each sheet. This feature is a game changer for professionals who need to print a high volume of documents, as it saves time and increases productivity. Another key benefit of the HP DesignJet T230 is its cost-effectiveness. This printer uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, which means you'll be able to save money on ink and reduce waste. And with its energy-efficient design, you'll be able to reduce your environmental footprint while also saving on your energy bills. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, the HP DesignJet T230 is a smart investment that will pay for itself over time. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T230 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that's designed to meet the needs of professionals who require high-quality, large format prints. With its 2-year warranty care pack, ideal media sizes, simple and cost-effective media handling, and cost-saving efficiencies, this printer is a must-have for anyone in the architecture, engineering, or construction industries. So if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective printing solution, look no further than the HP DesignJet T230. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and take your printing